We are reading First 100 Animals by Pretty Baby. We're pets. Goldfish. Puppy. Cat. Mouse. Squeak, squeak. Rabbit. Kitten. Guinea pig. Dog. Woof. Woof. Can you do the dog sound? Woof. Woof. Let's hear your dog. Woof. 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 Okay, next we have wild animals. Chimpanzee. Can you do a monkey? Camel. Here's an owl, and some people say hoo hoo hoo, and others say twit twoo twit twoo hoo hoo hoo. Can you do that sound? Yeah. How about an elephant? I can't do an elephant very well. Can you say elephant? Can you say elephant? How? How about tiger? Good. How about zebra? Say zebra.
Yeah.
That's zebra. Lion. Roar. Penguins. Very good. Penguins, attention. Penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper. Right? Here we have on the farm. Quack, 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 quack. Ducklings.
Goat.
That is a goat. That's very good. Ducklings. Come on, focus. Sheep. That's a sheep. Bah. Those are baby pig. Piglets. And that's a pig. Very good. Pony. Yeah, we'll do a diaper in a minute. We're almost done. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Where did that come from? Okay. Cow. Moo. And a foal, which is a baby horse. Neigh. Right? Rivers and lakes. Frog. Rabbit. Hippopotamus. Can you say hippopotamus? Very good. Hippopotamus.
Water.
Yeah, say hippopotamus. Very good. Here's a pelican. Can you say pelican? That's good, honey. Swan.
Hawk.
No, it's not a hawk. It's a swan. Swan. How about flamingo? Can you say flamingo? Very good. Flamingos. Alligator. Can you say alligator? Very good. How about turtle? Good. And otter? Can you say otter? Very good. How about porcupine? Can you say porcupine? Porcupine. Say porcupine. Say porcupine. Okay, how about an easier one? Bear. Bear. Squirrel. Can you say squirrel? How about raccoon? Raccoon. Say raccoon. Moth. Here's a moth. It looks like a butterfly, but it's a moth. Good. Here's an eagle. Eagle. Panda bear. Owl. Yeah. Hoo-hoo, tweet-hoo. Deer.
There.
Good job. Water dragon.
Water.
Dragon.
That's it.
Good. Butterfly.
Butter.
Butterfly. Can you say monkey?
Choco.
That's a water dragon. Snake.
The kid water.
Snake. Snake. Can you say monkey?
Like that.
Good. How about orangutan? Can you say orangutan? Good job. How about chameleon? Can you say chameleon? Can you say chameleon? Good job. Frog. Can you say tree frog? No? How about gorilla? Ooh, ooh. Gorilla. Gorilla. Giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Good job. We know elephants and lions. Uh-oh, here comes Sissa.